आज एक डिफरेंट फैशन में हमारा क्लासेस हुआ था। 2 स्टूडेंट्स को बुलाया गया था, जिसमें से एक स्पीकिंग को सुनते एक और बोलते थे। उसमें से आज एक माइक के साथ हुआ था, जिसे 50 पीपल के लगभग सामने हमको बोलने का प्रैक्टिस कराया गया था।
Anshu, do you think it was the mistake of Anshu? No, I don't think it was a mistake of Anshu, because these things has also happened with me. So I believe that this is not mistake of Anshu. But before coming to the shop, Anshu should have checked his pocket.
Do you think that it was the mistake of Anshu? No, I don't think that it was the mistake of Anshu, because I think that if he has forgotten money, and then I think that Soccer should also understand the situation, that if he has forgotten money, then I persuade him that I have no problem, then you should go home and bring money, then come and purchase whatever you want. Second,
ये वाला मत डालिएगा। Story of Anshu. Do you think Ravi friend should burn the shop? No, I don't think that Ravi friend should burn the shop. I understand that shopkeeper is talking rudely with Ravi's friend. He should respect the shopkeeper and persuade him that they will come after 10 minutes and give the money and take the max book. Then I should not think that they should burn the shop and not threaten him to burn the shop.
Actually, Sonam is again absent today, so उनकी जगह पर आज गोलू बोलेंगे.
The story of Anshu. Do you think it was the mistake of Anshu? In my opinion, it was not mistake of Anshu's, because he only forgot money at homes. He honestly explained his problem to the shopkeepers. I think forgetting money can happen with anyone, so it was not mistake of Anshu.
So first question is, do you think Ravi's friends should burn the shop? So no, I don't think that Ravi's friends should burn the shop because it is illegal and it is crime. Even though the shopkeeper scolded them and misbehaved with him, yet he should not burn his shop. It is not so much. It is not that big deal to burn a shop. It is a crime, and they could be jailed, and police can arrest him. So they should not burn the shop.
If you are the instructor, then will you expel Ram? If I am the instructor, then I will not expel Ram. I will rather understand his situation. I will take him to the college management and make them try to understand the poor condition of Ram and the other students, that their syllabus has not been completed.